Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a tutorial. Finally, I know you guys have all been asking me to have more tutorials for you guys, and I am working on it to get some tutorials like consistently on the channel. Now I do want to say that they are painting in the room right next to mine, so if you guys hear any noise, that's what it is. And also, if I keep looking this way, it's because I have a monitor now, and it has helped tremendously, especially in this tutorial. But you know, I have to get used to only looking at the camera and not looking down at the viewfinder. So if you guys catch me doing that, that's what I'm looking at.
At myself, I know. So completed.
Anyways, I have this very beautiful blue, like all shades of blue tutorial for you guys today with nude lips, because when I do makeup like this, I like to stick to, you know, a little bit more toned down lips. Could have done like something deep and dark, but I feel like this just looks so much better. Obviously, I was inspired by this beautiful backdrop, which I have been dying to use since I bought it, and these beautiful earrings just, it's a whole vibe. It's a whole blue vibe today, and I'm so happy to finally have used this backdrop and done this makeup, which honestly exceeded my own expectations of how the look was going to be. I literally, if I'm being honest, was going to do something way different and something more simple, but girl, I pulled this look off and I'm so proud of myself. Anyways, if you guys would like to see how I did this tutorial for this makeup look, then just keep on watching.
One, two.
Starting off with the eye makeup, obviously we're going to be going for this look that we have right here, and it's very much inspired by these beautiful earrings and of course this beautiful backdrop. Now I will be using 3 different palettes just because they all have a tone of blue that I want to use to accomplish this look. Now I'm going to be using the Morphe times James Charles palette. And I would say we're going to kind of be using that right here, this quad of blue shades. And then this palette from Colourpop, which is a MAR palette. And this one has this blue that I want to use. Where is it at? Right here. And it's such a pretty blue color. This is a pretty teal shade too, but I need this. I'm so off. I need this blue right here. And lastly, this is a little Colourpop little quad as well, but I'm only going to be using this shade, and this is from their single shadows. Now I am going to start off with my P. Louise base, which looks like this. I'm pretty sure you all know what it looks like by now. And I'm going to be applying that on my lid and blending it all over as our base. I won't be setting it just because I want to see how it performs once you apply colors just without setting it, because obviously it is going to be tacky. Now from the Morphe palette, I'm going to take this kind of like a, I would say it's a neutral shade, the shade right here. And it's not too warm and it's not too cool, and this is the only shade that I'm going to use kind of as our transition shade, just because I don't want to not use a transition shade. I feel like I've just always been so used to using some type of brown transition shade, so I'm going to use that one. And I'm only going to apply it in the crease and build it up and then blend it. Now, taking this shadow from the Morphe palette and this Alter Ego brush, I'm going to start off with that color. It's kind of like a periwinkle color, not so much like super blue, but we're going to work up the shades, and that way we can have like dimension and different kinds of shades of blue, so it's very blue. Now I'm going to go in the MAR palette, and I think this is the color El Rey. I hope I'm giving you guys the right name, but I mean, look at all these other colors, they're beautiful, but we're going to focus on this shade. And I'm going to take that same Alter Ego brush and blend that color in our crease. So to intensify that a little bit more, I want to go in with this shade right here. And it's a little bit darker. I would say it's very similar to the shade from the Colourpop palette, but it's just a bit deeper. And I'm going to apply it in the outer V, focusing it on the outer V, not taking it too high up with this brush necessarily. Then I'm going to go in with my clean brush and then blend it upward. Now to make that look a little bit more smoky, I'm going to take the black shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking a tiny brush, which this is the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. It's a very tiny brush, and I'm only going to be taking little by little of the black shade because I don't want to apply too much. As you can see, there's like a little hint of black on this side, but it looks more like a navy shade because it blended perfectly as I only applied a little bit. And we're going to start off where the tape is at, and then we're going to bring it in like so. And I'm not taking it too high in the crease either because I don't feel like we need it to be extra smoky. It's just a touch. Now we're going to do the faux cut crease, and the color we will be applying on our lid is this one, because let me show you the pigmentation. This is literally like a form of my backdrop. Look, literally the same color, which is mainly what inspired this look. So I'm going to take the Louise base, do that whole cut crease. Now I'm going to take that blue shade and I'm actually going to apply it with my finger first, and then I'm going to pack it on with a brush. I just feel like the initial pigmentation is stronger if you apply it with your finger. Once we have that, I'm going to apply glitter. I will be using an Urban Decay Heavy Metal, what is it, glitter eyeliner, and this is in the color PYRO, and it's like a white, super sparkly glitter. It has a bunch of different shades of little flecks of glitter, and as you can see, it just adds a little extra pop. I'm going to apply my lashes and I will be right back so we can finish the face makeup. Now for lips, I did want to give you guys two different options. They're still nude, but this first option is going to be a more peachy, nude, glossy lip. And then the second option will be definitely a bit more nude. I am using these new RealHer lip glosses, and the formulation is really nice. I like that they're not overly sticky, and they're still like nude and glossy, but they don't feel uncomfortable or too heavy on the lips. Now here is the second option, which is the more nude. I did use a different lip liner, which was a bit more nude than the other RealHer lip liner. And I'm also using a lipstick, which is a Smashbox nude lipstick, and just in the center of the lips to add a little more nudeness, and then going in with the clear gloss from RealHer in I Am Brave. And as you can see, it definitely gives it just a super glossy, nude, plump lip, which I am definitely all about. This makeup look. Let me know what you guys thought. Did you guys like this look? Would you guys like to see more looks like this? I mean, super dramatic, or do you guys want to see stuff that's more simple? I can have a mixture of both, but like looks like this, just they make me feel some type of way, and I'm just like, I feel good, I look good. This makeup is like everything in it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what other colors you guys would like to see a tutorial for, like a full all shades of whatever other color you guys would like. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, my favorite part of this, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.